Hi, what is going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, so the bees are in. I just got a call from the post office, and so I am headed over there to pick them up. Right? I mean, obviously, look at this. It's raining, so yeah. I mean, I didn't get the hive set up over at the property yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick them up and bring them here to the house, probably stick them in the garage, and then probably tomorrow, because it's not going to be raining tomorrow, we're going to go out there, get the hive set up, get the bees installed, and all that goodness. So that's the plan. That's the plan. And yeah, let's go pick them up, baby. Yeah, that's not weird whatsoever. Look at that. Got the bees. The bee's knees. Tell you what, they're pretty chill. You'd think they'd be just like buzzing around and stuff like crazy, but they're not. But man, I hope I don't get in no car accident. If this thing explodes in here, I'm gonna get all stung up like crazy. I'll probably jump out the car naked and start running down the block. Okay, if that happens. But yeah, let's get these bad boys home. Let's get them settled. I'll probably spray them with some sugar water, just to kind of give them something to do for a while, lick each other up, and yeah, let them chill out for a day. Tomorrow we'll go get them installed. Yeah, you don't want to, from what I heard, is you don't want to have these in this bee package, for more than a couple days. So we don't want to do that. We want to get them in their hive, get them set up in their new house. So let's do that. Let's get going. We'll check back with y'all tomorrow. All right, it is the next day. The bees survived the night. Now we're out here at the property. We're gonna put it next to this. What was this tree called? Remember we looked it up.
A big leaf tree.
Cypress? No, I don't know. What's this tree called? With the big old leaves, it's got the big banana looking things that grow off of it. I don't know where the banana things went, but it's a cool looking tree. Our house is gonna be right here on top of this hill. We're gonna put the beehive right here. It's gonna get some good shade and wind coverage, and then it'll get the afternoon sun as it goes across. So what we're gonna do is we got mulch. I'm gonna cut and outline the grass. We're gonna do basically the spot is gonna be 2 of these bad boys, and that's the coverage, because I don't want grass just growing all around the beehive and all that stuff. So I'm gonna kill the grass here. Basically gonna cut this plastic and fold it over, and then border it around with some rocks and stones. We got cinder blocks that the hive is gonna sit on.
Daddy.
And hold on a sec. And so that's what we're gonna do. First, let's get the grass cut out, and yeah. So let's do it. we go.
Put a rock on there. Or I'll just... Or mulch. No.
Or mulch. Perfect, kind of. Plastic is down, mulch is down, edging is there. Let's grab another cinder block. And we're looking for something as level as possible. That's pretty good. Nothing too crazy. Now, I'm probably gonna do cinder blocks like, not like that, but like that. Turn it one more turn. So then if I ever want to do a strap around and through, I can, to just strap it so it's kind of all together and no chance of getting tipped over or anything. So I'll do that. But we might have to adjust that a little bit so it's nice and level. All right, so I had to readjust the ground a little bit just to get it nice and level. So now it's nice and level. There's the bottom board, and I got it facing, entrance is facing south. So that way it gets good sun in the winter time, and I heard that just has to face south so that they don't freeze and all that jazz. So okay, we're gonna put the boxes in here and get it all kind of stacked together. All right, Ralph is here. Hey Ralph. I don't think that's his name. It's probably not. Anyway, got the beehive set up. Now, I didn't install the bees yet. Tonight is supposed to get down to 42. So I don't necessarily want to install them when it's getting so, it's cold now. It's like 55 right now. It's a little bit windy, so I'm thinking if I spray the bees with the sugar water, because I just went to go wash my hands and they were freezing when they got wet. So I'm thinking because of the wind and the cold, so I'm like, if I spray them, their whole little bodies are gonna get all cold and wet, and they're gonna get hypothermia and die, right? So I don't want to risk it. I think I'm just gonna keep them in their package box and keep feeding them with the spray in the garage, and just let them live, right, for one more night. Then tomorrow it's going to be nice and sunny. Tomorrow morning we'll come here, we'll spray them, install them, and yeah, and then they'll be able to live. It's going to be a nice warmer day. I don't know why we got this cold day or cold night all of a sudden. It's kind of weird, but we did. So anyway, that's what it looks like. And I also got a bucket here because we don't have any shed or shop or anything here. So I got a bucket and I put all the like main tools and everything in there, which is going to be nice just to keep it out of the elements. So that's it. Bordered it up. Shouldn't have any grass growing in there, which will be nice. And it'll be easy to mow around to keep it nice and clean. The girls, you see, they painted it. I mean, this side's pretty cute. And then you get into something like that and you're like, what the heck is that? And then, I mean, that's all right, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll get the bees installed, and we'll get it done. Even if it takes a few days, we'll get it done, okay? I will show you this too. I was trying to get this whole area cleaned up because there's a bunch of the guy made a mess. Cattle farmer here made a mess. Big old logs everywhere. And I was trying to get this all cleaned up. There was a bunch of brush that's right over there, and there's a bunch of like barbed wire all up in here and tangled up, and it's all like falling apart and chipping and little bits and pieces. It's annoying, it's junk. So I got stuck with the bobcat, basically almost got stuck. Kind of tore up my neighbor's yard because it's like right there, which whatever, I don't care. Come at me, bro. No, but seriously, it'll be fine. It's just dirty. It'll grow. But these neighbors are kind of sticklers. So anyway, I cut a bunch of like old dead stuff. I don't know, in this branch here, there's like it's hollowed out and there was a dead branch, so I cut it, but it's hollow, and I'm worried that it's just gonna rain is gonna get in there and do something, you know, mess up this tree completely. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with that. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, get cleaned up a little bit, get out of here, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll get these bees installed. Okay, so let's do it. Let's get to it. We'll see you in a little bit. Yeah.
Like Pooh Bear.
Pooh Bear? More like Poop Bear.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, do not. Do you need help?
Me? No, I'm just.
Looks like you do.
You need help.
Thanks.
Thanks.
You're what?
It's just they didn't like make the thing too big enough. Nah. You just have to like.
XXL.
I know. Shut.
Wait, what's XXL mean?
Extra large.
What is so funny? Where's my hood?
6X.
Lift that up,
It's like
Daddy.
sticking on my face.
That's
There we
good.
go.
Lift that up. You and Dad are ready to go to space.
That is. I'm halfway ready.
Yeah.
Mom, do you have pants?
Right here.
No, she said, What are you doing, guys? Mommy, tell us when to run.
Is it? Did you look it?
Lick it. Lick you. Okay. All right, so that's that. There's the entrance reducer. Let me kind of pull it out so it's flush. Okay. Now we spray them, slam them. And so we need that to cover.
Or what?
Once I take this out, I'm gonna cover it.
Let's spray them.
And we'll pull the bead
Where's the J hook?
in my pocket. I'm just gonna slam them.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Get away from the beam. That's where it's there. No.
Got it? Go ahead. Now we need to get the queen. Just that's okay. Set it off to the side.
Where is she? How do you know that? Oh, she's right there.
Let's see if she's still alive. Oh yeah, there she is.
Let me see. Maybe we should put her in the camera. Wait, why are there bees in there?
They're helpers. They give some. And should I spray them again and
Sure.
and then slam them?
Yeah.
Let's spray them and slam them real quick. Okay.
Just do it. Oh, you're slamming it?
Yeah.
That's good. No, you don't. Because then you're going to flip them. You
Big.
got it? Here. Okay, just set it, no? Go ahead, guys. Don't make me honey.
Okay, let's put this cover on and get out of here. Let them do their thing.
And then we can just get it. Make sure you don't squish it. Do we need the other cover? Right?
Yep. We could put this See, we could have put the feeder in there, but this is fine.
Put this one in there too.
No, what's the point?
Because remember he did.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, well, they probably saw nothing at that angle. So,
Why?
all right.
11:39.
All right, the idea was we didn't shake them in so much so to cause a disturbance, and just put that box upside down, and now it's in the other deep. We put the queen laying down, took out the cork, so now they can start to kind of free the queen. It'll take about 4 days to do that. In a couple hours, because I'm gonna still do some work out here, in a couple hours I'll put the suit back on, and I will take out the, yeah, look at them, they're looking for the entrance, they're finding it. But a couple hours, yeah, I'll come and take that box out. Most of the bees will be out already, and then I'll just set it near the entrance so they can find their way. But yeah, the bees are installed, ladies and jerks. Wait, ladies and jerks? Jerks. You ladies and you jerks. Yeah. And then I'll put the rest of the frames back in, and yep. But cool. My buddy, I don't remember if I said, my buddy 3D printed this feeder for me, which is pretty cool. And they just kind of walk through that little tunnel to get to the juice, baby.
This we're not gonna need, right?
Nope. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty less stressful than I thought. I just,
didn't think it would
well,
be.
sometimes you
But
see
then it's like
people
you're
and they're like, there's bees all around.
Because they don't wear suits.
Well, that and
It's
like
fun.
they're not really like,
You've got a white fuzzy in your beard.
they're like shaking them, which this I think is a little bit better.
Yeah, they're coming in.
They're coming in and out of the entrance. But yeah, you kind of feel invincible with the bee suit on.
We get stuff.
Yeah, like ouch, get stung. Spoke too soon. All right,
Are there any flowers for them out here?
flowers?
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Nothing.
There's pollen all over this tree. I mean, it's a tree. They'll find flowers. But anyway, got the bees installed. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have a lot more bee videos as we come and check on them, make sure they're working as they should be, everything's good. The queen looked like she was healthy and fat, like all queens do. So far so good. But I'm gonna do some mowing, clean up the grass around here so I don't have to mow again.
You gonna mow in your bee suit?
Me mowing my bee suit, yeah. Bzzz. Yeah, just brrr.
Would.
Huh?
Around this area.
That's true. Nobody's gonna bat an eye if I'm in a bee suit mowing. Anyways, y'all take it easy. Till next time. Peace. All right, it's been a couple hours. We're back. They look like they're getting real used to their entryway. Maybe you can see that. It's a little.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift this.
Go ahead and lift the top cover, and we're gonna get the rest of the bees out of the.
Oh, look, this spider.
Getting the rest of the bees out from the box. Oh yeah, most of them are out. Oh yeah, they're around the queen.
What do I do?
Just leave it or hold it. Okay.
Are they around the queen? Oh wow, yeah.
Just put it at the front entrance and they'll find their way. Just put it down on the ground.
Like this?
Yep. Aim it towards there.
Really?
Ralph, you're gonna get jacked, boy. You best back it up, brother.